Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to Deep Coding, and in this video we are going to take a look at how we are able to hide photo credits from logo templates. And I already had a video about hiding photo credits from logo templates, and you can check that. And this is a continuation of that series, and this is a bit more advanced, not an advanced trick, but um, yet a simple trick which will help us to hide the photo credits of free Blogger templates and without being redirected to another website. So let's have a look at this. So just for this demonstration here, I just made a blog, and this blog is made in Blogger, and as you can see my footer has changed. I just customized it in my own way, so just like this you can also change your footer credit easily. So let me put this in a mobile version. As you can see, test post here for checking the redirection. So as you can see, it's not redirecting to any website or their website, so it's just working normal. So let's have a look at how we can do this. I just made a simple trick, especially this is one of the benefits of knowing CSS. So I just made those photo credits to be hidden. So those photo credits are now hidden, so we are no longer able to see those photo credits, and I just added my own photo credit there as Bennett H4, as you can see here. So now let's have a look how I did that. So I'm just going to my blog. So I have this video source viewer here, so it will help me to view the source code of my blog, and just like this you are able to view my source code and make changes according to mine. So hope you guys can see my source code, and from here let me go to the photo credit right away, and I will show you how to do this. Now seems a bit lagging. Now let me search for my photo credit. Yeah, there you go. So this is the change that I made. As you can see, I just added my own customized photo credit here with an Italian tag, style red, and my name. So how I did that? I just made this simple line. Okay, I just made an argument with a pre tag, and I just made that as hidden. As you can see, I just initialized a pre tag with a class with sorry, that's a div tag. I just initialized the pre tag as hidden equals true, and I just closed that pre tag right after the credit ends. Okay, I started before the credit starts. Okay, here you can see pre-hidden equals true, and then the credit goes here, and after the credit ends I just closed that pre-tag so that this entire section will be hidden. Okay, so that's what I did there, and now I'm able to customize, and now I'm able to add my own photo credit right after that credit. So that's basically hidden, right? So we are able to add our own customized photo credit there, just like I made. So those are now hidden, and these are, you can apply this same trick for Gayabi templates or Sora templates or Template Planet or any template. You can try any of my tricks. So I already had a video about not this but another video explaining how to hide photo credits. You can always check that, and if you do like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you like this video, always subscribe and share it with your friends. So thank you all for watching.